Alright, this is Anthony G, and I'm here to show everyone how to change the oil in your Triumph Bonneville carbureted model. You can hear my Triumph in the background. Let me carry my camera. And I'm warming up the oil now. Changing the oil is relatively simple. All you need, I have the tools here, I'll show you those too. You need a oil filter wrench. I prefer the offset specialty oil filter wrenches, not the channel lock pliers. A simple torque wrench. So your drain plug has to be torqued, I believe 9 foot-pounds. I use genuine Triumph oil filter and a genuine Triumph, they call it a crush washer. You need some type of manual. I prefer Triumph. I have the Haynes service manual for Triumphs for my year, or the factory manual. It tells you how to change the oil. A 13mm plug socket, a socket wrench, and I have a covered oil drain pan so I can recycle my oil. For my next video, we'll cut right to the bike, and I'll show you how I change the oil.